Hey, Liam, you got a parcel from Grandma. Want to see? There it is. Open it up. Oh, did a peanut fall out? Look and see what's inside. Abby smells Harmony. Wow, what's in there? Pull the stuff out.
Wow.
Pull it out. Oh, you don't need the peanuts. You can throw them on the ground. There you go. What is it? Oh, tissue. Don't let Abby see. You tell Abby it's a secret. What is it? Oh my gosh, that's cool. Is it an Easter basket? Wow. What's inside? Wow, a bunny. Oh my gosh, I bet he's chocolate. What about the rest of the stuff in the box too? What else? Oh, what is that? Can you shake it? Nope, I thought maybe it had little candies in it. I don't know, I'll look in a minute. What else? Cool. Wow, there's a few things in there. I bet you dumped some out in the box too. What is that? Oh, is it a little egg? Do you want to see what else is in the box? Some of it dumped out in the box. Not in the basket, in the box here, cardboard. Liam, in the box, there's more. What is it? Oh, crayons. Awesome. Yep, I see more. Whoa, neat. Does that have a light? Oh, it does. You're so clever. What is that? Is it a book? Yeah, it's a book. That's nice. We'll read it later. Dig. Oh, and a little pillow. Get it? Oh, and another little pillow. Bert and Ernie pillow. What else? Is it just peanuts? Okay, hold on. Before we do that, can we dig first? I'm all for peanuts, but come on. I knew it. Oh, what's that, Liam? M&M's. Yum.
Ow.
Want me to open?
Yeah.
Say please.
Please.
Just say thank you, Grandma.